Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a docking station for Nintendo Switch, and it will work with the Nintendo Switch and Nintendo Switch OLED. It's from PowerLead, and that's what you could achieve with it. So you can connect a controller via USB. You can have a monitor via HDMI, your Nintendo Switch, and the power in. So let's see how it looks like. It's a portable design. It's way smaller than the original one that comes with the Nintendo Switch, and some people might like it because it doesn't take much space when they travel. So it's also some instructions, and that's how it looks like. It's quite sturdy. That's the USB-C. And then what is this? NS, not really sure. Maybe you can put some cards in there, like the Nintendo cards. And yeah, on the back you have the AC adapter, HDMI out, and USB, and some instructions in there. The model is CX203. So yeah, let me just quickly try this. It's very sturdy. So we'll plug in the HDMI in there. So you have actually two. It's also a light indicator. You have two USB-A and a USB 3.0 or something like that. So let's see. Power. Plug this in, and you can see the LED is on, and we will use a controller as well. So we will use this fancy controller. So that goes in there. And this we can plug it in the front. And then the Nintendo Switch itself, the bad boy. It's probably the best controller you could ever get. So now let me just quickly pause the video, make sure I plug it in correctly, because I don't want to scratch my controller. Okay guys, so this is the perfect setup. That's in, and I can play from the display now. Which is brilliant. Let me show you. Yeah, so I'm just using this controller. Yeah, so brilliant setup. You have access to everything you need, and with a little tiny dock, which will be extremely easy to carry around. And all you need is a HDMI cable and a power adapter with you. So I think that's brilliant. So yeah, thank you for watching guys.